Actually, you're not going to use the mic.
Life is a warfare. A warfare between two standards. The standards of Christ and the standards of Satan. It is a warfare. Life is a warfare. A war. Life is a warfare. It is a warfare between two standards. The standards of Christ and the standards of Satan. It is a warfare harder than the world. For it began with revolt of the angels. A warfare wide as the world. It reaches in every nation, in every city, and in the heart everywhere. Satan desires all men to his standards. And to his end, lures them with riches, powers, honors, and all that ministers, and to the lust and pride. Christ. Christ invites all to fight under his standards, but offers no wordless. Allures them with
Stop mo na, pakita mo.